So today's question is from Chaitra. Chaitra says, Ma'am, my passion is calligraphy, but no one in my family understands it. They keep making fun of me for spending so much time on it. How do I deal with this? Chaitra, the passions that call out to us is something that we generally don't have a say in. We don't have control over what calls to us. So calligraphy has called you, wonderful, congratulations. So for your family members, for each of them, their passions could be something different. Be your brother or sister's passion is different from what your father or mother might be interested in. So each person's passion is different, and in general, it would be great if family can be understanding of this and respect what a person likes. In a lot of our families, it doesn't work that way, that we are mocked for what we like. That's fine. Them liking or disliking your passion has no effect on how much you like it. So my suggestion to you is just keep continuing what you're doing. It shouldn't matter to you what they think or say about what you're doing. As efforts from your side, perhaps you could start sending really small videos of the importance of calligraphy, its origins, or why is it important for people. You can start sharing some small videos to the members of your family, see if they might be interested in learning more about it. Or let's say one of the activities that you guys do as a family is watch a movie every Saturday evening. See if the next Saturday evening you can convince them to try out an hour of calligraphy with you. Maybe if they saw how much fun it is, they might be able to support you even if they don't want to do it themselves. Try it out from your end. If they're going to continue to make fun or they say, no, this is very boring, let it be. Yeah. Each member of the family, after completing all of their expected work and conversations with the family, has time for themselves. And they're generally allowed to do whatever it is that they like. Some people sit and watch things on the phone, or maybe they go play cricket, whatever it is. You are spending your time doing calligraphy, and it'll be great if you can have a conversation, let them know, hey, listen, this is what I like, please respect it. A day will come when you start earning money from this calligraphy, if that's what you want to do. If you just want to do it for fun, please go ahead and do it. But a day, if you want to do it for earning money, a day will come when you'll start earning money from this passion, and your family members itself will say, hey, look, my daughter is earning from her passion. We are so proud of her. So the same people will be proud of you one day. Today, you just focus on what it is that you're interested in. Keep practicing your passion. Enjoy. Have a lot of fun. It doesn't matter what anyone thinks about it. Yeah? All the very best.